You've probably finished a great edit in CapCut, but then you realize it's in widescreen, and you actually need it for a TikTok or an Instagram reel. Changing the aspect ratio of your video in CapCut for PC is really easy, and it only takes a couple of clicks, so make sure you watch this video to learn exactly how it's done. I have the CapCut app open on my PC, and it doesn't matter if you're using Windows or a Mac. The steps are absolutely the same. I'm going to import a random video onto my timeline just as an example. You can see that this video is widescreen with a 16:9 aspect ratio, but I need to upload this to TikTok. Since TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels all require a vertical 9:16 ratio, we need to change this. So how do we do it? Well, you're going to see a few options at the bottom right corner of your video player. Right here, you'll see the 16:9 button. If I click on that, it's going to give me more options to choose from, like 4:3, 2:1, and so on. I'm interested in these bottom options, specifically the 9:16. Once I select 9:16, you'll notice these black bars at the top and the bottom. I can fix that simply by zooming in on my video and making sure it's positioned correctly within the frame. Now, when I play my video, it looks like this, perfect for TikTok or Shorts. I have a lot more CapCut tutorials on the channel, so make sure to check out the playlist to learn more about editing in this app. If you need a specific tutorial, leave a comment down below so I can see what you want me to make next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.